Hey, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. We are a small channel that discusses the science and safety behind skincare product. As a pharmacist, toxicologist, and safety assessor, I try my best to give you and provide you with the best information that you need to have a peace of mind when you are using your personal care product. If that sounds interesting to you, please don't forget to subscribe and join this community. From the title of the video, you know that we are going to talk about Klairs Supple Preparation Facial Toner. It's this kind of product that it's not a must to have, but a joy actually to use. To be honest, it can give you a small push in treating some of your skin concerns. Also, it was the bestseller K-Beauty Hydrating Toner in 2019 and sold more than 1 million bottles. So let's talk about it. This product actually is nowhere close to the word supple. It has a lot of ingredients and botanical extract. I'm starting to notice that this is a trademark touch by Klairs to include a lot of actives and botanical extract in their product, but still be super gentle. Let's start with the interesting choice of vitamin C derivative called sodium ascorbyl phosphate. And why I said interesting, because the data behind it is a bit limited if it's absorbed by the skin or not, but a manufacturer study showed some brightening effect. Also, some in vitro evidence showed supporting collagen production. A very surprising benefit to this ingredient is acting as an acne fighting compound. Yes, a vitamin C derivative fighting acne. In a double-blind study, 5% of sodium ascorbyl phosphate was found to reduce acne lesion at week 8 and week 4. Alone, but also when combined with retinol, the results were even better. Also, in vitro study, 1% of SAP can inhibit the bacteria B. acnes. That's the bacteria is responsible for the acne itself. So in short, this ingredient was a good, interesting choice by this company. Now we are moving to the great mix of calming ingredients like Centella asiatica, licorice root, panthenol, beta-glucan, aloe vera leaf extract, and Portulaca oleica extract, and a sprinkle of peptide also by adding copper tripeptide 3 that play a role as an antioxidant, calming, and anti-inflammatory. There is also a mix of barrier supporting and hydrating boosting ingredient like, of course, sodium hyaluronate, arginine, and bromelain. All of those play a very good role in increasing the skin hydration. By looking at all of these ingredients and this data, I would give it 4 out of 5 beaker. The ingredients are amazing, but the data is a bit limited. Now let's talk about this product performance in real life. First, the texture is so interesting and unique to me. It's literally between a gel and water. I will show you in this video the texture. It absorbs super fast, no stickiness or tackiness at all. It gives you a very welcome boost of hydration with a very lovely glow. I used it on a damp skin, of course, so the humectant can work better, but remember to follow with a moisturizer because alone it's not enough. It's one of the most enjoyable actually product that I ever used. I saw myself reaching out to this specific product without even thinking. Now just to be clear, a few points about this product. There is 2 versions of this product and the company sent them both to me and I used them both. This one is fragrance and contain a decent amount of essential oil. For me, I didn't have any issue or irritation or any side effect, but please, if you have a diagnosed allergy towards essential oil and fragrance, please stay away from this version and go to the unscented one, the clear one. I will put a picture here and you will be safe from any side effects. Taking all of this into account, I would give this product 5 out of 5 happy most faces because it is so much fun to use and this small boost of hydration and freshness is sometimes really needed. So this was my video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it and I found it useful. For this video secret emoji, it's going to be the wind emoji because I think this toner is just refreshing as a gust of wind in the summer. Comment it below and I would happily answer your question super fast. Again, stay safe, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.